making a little bit of headway on the 72. Got the disc brakes on the whole way around. Locker in the front and rear. New shocks, heavy duty tie rod. Frame sandblasted and painted. Got the SM465 4-speed rebuilt, adapter on. Dana 18 transfer case rebuilt and put on. Everything torqued down. Got disc brakes on the back with electric parking brake. Ford Fusion discs. Put a new cross member in right here. Got the gas tank redone. Put it in. Made a skid plate for it. Made skid plates under the U-bolts. I still got to cut the back U-bolts off. What's sticking out? Got the engine, new hoses, belts. Put a new intake manifold gasket on it. Rebuilt the carburetor. New clutch. Got a set of headers putting on it. I added power steering. Oh, and I also added the power steering box up on the front of the frame there. And the rest of the junk's all back there. The skid plate's hanging down for the gas tank. So hopefully it's coming together.